live my boy, man. Y'all see us out here in traffic for my dog. Long live my boy. Long live my boy, man. I love it.
Yo, this Evo here be shredding, bruv. He be shredding, sliding all four wheels, bruv. You don't believe me? Take a look at this. Here is a Toyota JZS 171 Crown. Now, could this be a candidate for the perfect 1JZ Cruiser for you and your family? I don't know. So the Athlete V trim level of these came standard with a 1JZ GTE VVTi single turbo. They only came automatic though, which this car still is. But clearly this guy is out here drifting it. This is the stock lip kit that the car came with, and he's out here drifting it and shredding it, bruv. You want to get a 1JZ but can't afford to get yourself a Chaser, or they're too expensive these days? This could be your next best bet, bruv. Look at this. Imagine driving the Nico circuit, drifting, then going back home and taking the fam out for udon, bruv, or soba. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. That is cruising. And no one will even be none the wiser. Cops won't even stop you or nothing. That thing is nice. And the owners are older gentlemen sitting back there somewhere as well. So he probably does take his family out on this on the weekends. Cheese! Yo, these JZS 100 Mark IIs look so good, bruv. So good. This one here, I believe, has a 2JZ GTE in it with a big boy single turbo, some sort of TD06 T67, I believe. And this one here is still rocking the 1J. But yeah, look at them, bruv. They are so nice. Nice, I like it. It's nice. How much?